The Tektro Quartz M710 is a linear pull brake, also known as a V-brake, that is designed for use on mountain bikes. It has received generally positive reviews for its stopping power, adjustability, and reliability. However, some users have reported issues with the brake pads wearing out quickly or the brake arms bending. As with any brake system, it's important to keep it properly maintained to ensure optimal performance. Watch the video to know more. The M710 brake is designed for use with standard 710 brake pads and is compatible with most road and mountain bike frames that have V-brake mounts. It uses a cable pull system that is actuated by a brake lever on the handlebar, which applies tension to the brake cable and causes the brake arms to pivot and press the brake pads against the rim of the wheel. Overall, the Tektro Quartz M710 linear pull bike brake is a reliable and affordable option for riders who want to upgrade their stopping power on their bicycle. However, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional mechanic or experienced cyclist to ensure that this brake is compatible with your bike and is installed correctly. The Tektro Quartz M710 is a basic linear pull brake that is designed for mountain bikes. It uses a mechanical system to generate stopping power by squeezing the rim of the wheel between two brake pads. The brake pads are adjustable for optimal positioning and pad clearance and can be easily replaced if they wear out. One of the key strengths of the M710 is its stopping power, which is generally considered to be very good for a basic linear pull brake. It is also praised for its adjustability, with many users reporting that they were able to get a good level of modulation and good stopping power after a bit of fine-tuning. However, some users have reported issues with the durability of the brake pads. Some have reported that the brake pads wear out quickly, while others have reported that the brake arms bend easily. It's worth noting that these issues may be more pronounced if the brakes are not properly maintained or if they are subjected to heavy use. The Tektro Quartz M710 is a reliable and effective linear pull brake that is well suited for casual mountain bikers or anyone looking for a basic, budget-friendly brake system. Just keep in mind that, as with any brake system, proper maintenance is key to ensuring optimal performance and longevity. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.